So today I'm breaking down the Salesforce automation tips for every US sales team should know, and how they can instantly boost your productivity. But before we go to step by step, there's one automation setting inside Salesforce that almost every team overlooks. And it's the difference between a CRM that feels slow and one that basically works for you. I'll show you that transformation in a moment. Sales teams in the US are dealing with bigger pipelines, multiple touchpoints, and tight quarterly targets. And automation is what keeps everything from falling apart. But most teams only use 10% of what Salesforce can automate. Let me show you a quick example. Most teams manually update leads, check tasks, and follow up one by one. But with Salesforce automation, you can flip that upside down. Here's the moment everything changes. Go to Flow Builder, Salesforce's most powerful automation tool. Instead of manually assigning leads, sending emails, or updating opportunities, you can create an automated flow that does all of it in seconds. For example, a lead comes in, it auto-assigns to the right rep. Opportunity reaches a new stage, Salesforce updates fields for you. Now watch the transformation. Before activating the automation, your pipeline looks stuck. After activating the flow, everything moves automatically, cleanly, and instantly. That's just one automation. Salesforce has dozens. From task triggers to approval workflows to AI-powered recommendations. If you want the full list of the most powerful Salesforce automation, including templates you can copy, check out the next video on my channel. And if this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and keep leveling up your sales skills.